Hello again. What we have here today is a cedar blank that I've already put some inlays in right here. This inlay will turn into a Celtic knot or an infinity knot, which looks pretty cool. The wood is Eastern Red Cedar or aromatic cedar, and the inlay is made out of Northern Catalpa. What this will hopefully end up looking like is it'll have a nice reddish pin with a golden colored inlay right here. This eventually I'm going to put a copper pen kit onto it, and it should look pretty nice actually. I've already obviously put the tubes inside it. Everything's prepped. I did not do a video showing how to do the inlay. There's plenty of other videos out there that show how to do these inlays, and I do plan on uploading how I do it in the future, just not for this specific video. Anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to fast forward the camera so I don't bore you too much with all the spinning and whatnot of the lathe. So that being said, let's get to it. And there it is. This is a polished CA finish. I used a wet sanding method to polish it, but everything seems to look good. I don't see any places where I went through the finish when I polished it. I'm going to put this together with a copper pen kit, and I will have this available on my website. If you're interested in purchasing it, it will be there as long as it lasts. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.